Students, here we are going to check whether the given lines are intersecting at a point or coincident or parallel by comparing their coefficients. Students, suppose we have given two lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Here you all know coefficient of x in the first equation, that is a1, coefficient of y, that is b1, and c1 is the constant term. Similarly, coefficient of x in the second equation, that is a2, coefficient of y in the second equation is b2 and c2 is the constant term. Clear? So students, if we will get a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, in this case, what is the graphical representation? The lines are intersect at a point. That means we can write intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. And if intersecting lines, if two lines are intersecting, that means we will get a common point, and common point will be the solution, and that solution must be unique. Clear? So we will get exactly one solution, or we can write unique solution. Clear? And if we get solution, that means the pair of lines may be, or pair of lines are consistent. Clear? Second case, if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2, that means if all the ratios are equal to each other, then we can say the lines are coincident lines. And if two lines are coincident, that means we will get so many solutions. So we will, here we can write infinitely many solutions. Clear? And here again we will get solutions, but infinitely. So we can say the pair of lines are consistent. Clear? And in third case, if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 but is not equal to c1 upon c2, in this case the lines are parallel lines. And here, since two lines are not intersecting and not coincident, so we will not get a solution, we will not get any common point, therefore we can write here no solution. And if we are not getting any solution, then the lines are inconsistent. So this chart you have to learn very seriously, because on the basis of this chart you can say whether the lines are intersecting at a point or coincident or parallel. So students, pause the video to be noted down.